All my teachers, ma'am, and my dear classmates. First of all, I would like to say thank you, all of you, for being there. Myself, Kumari Shubham, final year student of Department of Information Technology. Today I am here to present my summer internship program. I did my internship in the field of IoT, which is Internet of Things, from Innovate Skill National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research, Chandigarh, under the Minister of HRD, Government of India, under the guidance of Dr. MP Punya, Vice Chairman of AICTE. This is the agenda of my internship presentation program. First, overview of my internship. What is Internet of Things? History of IoT. Why is IoT so important? Advantage and disadvantage of IoT. Major component of IoT ecosystem. How IoT works. The future of IoT. Application of IoT. About Tinkercad. Conclusion and about my certificate. So I did internship in the field of IoT during the period 1st of June 2020 to 8th of July 2020. 6 weeks online internship program. I learned lot of things. First, theoretical knowledge about IoT, then did lot of project work on Tinkercad software. Developed two mobile applications and then I gave three tests and secured 87 percentile. Then I got a certificate from there. What is IoT? The Internet of Things describe a worldwide network of intercommunicating devices. The Internet of Things must be seen as a vision where things, especially everyday objects such as nearly all home appliances but also furniture, clothes, vehicle, roads and smart material and more are readable, recognizable, locatable, addressable and controllable via the internet. History of IoT. Past few years, IoT has become one of the most important technology of the 21st of century. The concept of Internet of Things first became popular in 1999 through the Auto ID Center at MIT and related market analysis publication. Why IoT is so important? Nowadays, IoT is so important in our daily life. We can connect everyday objects like kitchen appliances, cars, thermocodes, baby monitors to the internet via embedded device seamless. Communication is possible between people, process and things. If we are outside from home and we want to check our AC is on or off or our fan is on or off, we can check it from our mobile phone and we can switch off the TV, AC and whatever things. Advantage and disadvantage of IoT. Advantage is it's minimize human efforts. IoT save our lot of time and money. It enhance data collection. IoT is improve security. And the disadvantages are complexity, privacy and security. What are the major components of the IoT? Data processing, user interface, connectivity and IoT sensor. Next, how IoT works. Internet of Things is a combination of a smart electronic device, local area networks, the internet cloud servers, and the user applications and IoT device connect through a local network. Then it transmits information through the internet to the cloud server. Further, the cloud server provides the data or information of the end user application. The IoT device, this transfer of information is a two-way communication that helps operate the IoT system. The future scope of IoT. Internet of Things has emerged as a leading technology around the world. It has gained a lot of popularity in lesser time. Also, the advancement in artificial intelligence and machine learning have made the automation of IoT devices easy. Basically, artificial intelligence and machine learning programs are combined with IoT. devices to give them proper automation. Due to this, IoT has expanded its area of application in various sectors. Here in this section, we will discuss application and the future scope. There are various scope in IoT like a healthcare, agriculture, smart greenhouse, and this is the application of IoT: smart home, healthcare, smart city. About Tinkercad. Tinkercad is a free online 3D modeling program that runs in a web server known for its simple interface and ease of use. Since it became available in 2011, it has become a popular platform for creating model of 3D printing as well as entry-level introduction to constructive solid geometry in school, college and offices. This one is sample circuit board LED laser with Arduino which I performed during internship and I did lot of project like this type. What is conclusion? Conclusion is Internet of Things is the concept in which the virtual world of information technology connected to the real world of things. The technology of Internet of Things such as RFID and sensor make our life become better and more comfortable. And this is the certificate. Thank you.